Hello and thanks for joining us. Today we're talking about our long-handled PETROL hedge trimmer. This fantastic piece of equipment runs off a 2-stroke petrol engine. It comes with a 550mm blade capable of cutting twigs up to 20mm thick, and thanks to a 2.3 metre extension pole, it allows you to work on tall hedges without the need for access equipment. When using the trimmer, you will require petrol and 2-stroke premix oil. You should be aware that the engine can get hot, and we advise wearing PPE whilst operating the machine. This includes gloves, goggles, safety boots and ear defenders. The required fuel, 2-stroke premix and PPE can be purchased from your local HSS hire. To set the trimmer up, you'll need to unclip the harness and put it on. Then adjust the straps to ensure a comfortable, balanced fit with the trimmer attached. Now unclip the machine from the harness and lay the trimmer on a flat area with the cutter bar clear of any obstructions. You'll notice that the angle of the blade can be set between 0 degrees and 90 degrees in 15-degree increments. Adjust the blade, tighten the angle tension and remove the protective sheath. Next, mix your petrol with 2-stroke premix oil, following the instructions on the bottle. Once done, fill up the fuel tank. A full tank will last approximately 30 minutes of use. It is vital that you mix the petrol with the 2-stroke premix oil before adding it to the tank, and do not attempt to mix them in the machine. To start the engine, turn the ignition switch to the on position, and if starting from cold, you'll need to set the choke so that it is fully closed. Then, pump the purge bulb until the fuel is visible in the clear fuel return tube. Press down on the safety lock-off lever with your left hand and pull the trigger halfway. Hold the handle firmly to stop the trimmer from moving. The safety lock-off must be constantly held tight against the grip or the engine will stop. Pull the starter rope until the engine fires. If it fails to start, put the choke lever to the halfway position and try again. Once started, release the throttle trigger, open the choke and allow the engine to warm up. To stop the engine, release the throttle and allow the engine to idle for a minute. Release the safety lock-off and move the ignition switch to the stop position. To use the trimmer, hold it with both hands and adopt a stance that allows you to see what you are doing whilst keeping yourself a safe distance from the cutters. Sweep the blades over the hedge, working from the ground upwards. Stop the hedge trimmer and use a pruning saw to cut through the obstruction if you encounter a thick stem. You should always turn the cutter off when moving between cuts or changing location, and do not allow the blades to come into contact with the ground, lampposts or other obstructions. When using the cutter, you mustn't overreach. You should keep a clean workspace by sweeping up trimmings regularly and be mindful of your footing and potential hazards. Now, if the blade becomes damaged or broken, contact your local HSS branch and do not attempt to use the machine. If you would like to learn more about our long-handled hedge trimmer or view our full range of gardening equipment, visit hss.com today.